By bringing your teams and clients over to your ActiveCollab workspace, you can say goodbye to silos, back-and-forth emails, and misunderstanding. With different roles, you can build teams, name project leaders, and even invite clients and external collaborators to your workspace. Protect sensitive information using permissions and ensure just the right level of transparency. Monitor project progress and individual performance so you can optimize your workflows and prevent bottlenecks. Get insights into your team's efficiency using individual timesheets so you can improve processes, ensure accurate billing, and pay your people. Refer to your team members' daily and weekly capacities, job types, and rates to plan projects and distribute workload more effectively. Reassign tasks when someone's away and keep your projects running. If you're looking to grow your team, try virtual users. They function like people placeholders and can help you plan capacity, assess overhead costs, and prepare for onboarding. Have everything set up for your new team member before inviting them to ActiveCollab. By inviting clients to your ActiveCollab workspace, you'll be able to better communicate and collaborate with them. Invite them for free or give them extra permissions so they can take part in projects more actively. Every client has a dedicated page where you can see all their projects, contacts, as well as estimates and invoices. Invoices tell you about your client's dues, upcoming payments, and overall payment behavior. One estimates help you prepare for the project, plan capacity, and more. Use this to better manage your client relationships and refine your pricing strategy. Make ActiveCollab your central hub for your people and clients to improve your workflows, productivity, and client satisfaction.